let you control me. Guilty self-affliction. Prey on me when I'm lonely.